In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram network not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, toggle on for the airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your connection. Next up, restarting your phone is another quick way to fix temporary glitches that might be causing Instagram to load slowly or not at all. Next, clear cache by the app. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, find the app Instagram and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. In the Android device, press and hold on the app Instagram. Then select the option App Info. Go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next up, check for app update, launch App Store or Play Store, search by the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, launch Instagram, go to settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, click on log out and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes, then log in back to refresh your account session. Lastly, you can check the server status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for Instagram. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram network not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.